Hello, my name's Ben, an analyst at BetterTrader.co, and I'm here with 4 reasons why you should use BetterTrader. Now, you need to understand that BetterTrader is not a magical company that's just going to go boom and make you a profitable trader. That's not possible for any company in the world. We are an analysis company that can provide you with accurate, statistically backtested trade ideas, and so that makes you a better decision maker in the market. Now, there are many facets to a profitable trader. For example, his psychology, his analysis, his broker, his technology, his execution, and his experience. These 6 facets are what makes a better trader, what makes a profitable trader. So we at BetterTrader.co only cover the analysis part, but we make sure it's the best you can get on the market, so you can focus on your other facets. While a AI technology that acts like a team of analysts is here to help you. Okay, let's get right to it. The 4 reasons. The first reason you should use BetterTrader is the fact that we're not a broker. That's right, we're not a broker, we're an analysis company. What that means for you as the trader is that we have no incentive to try to make money from your trades. In fact, we don't. We have several brokers connected to our website where you can trade from our interface, but we're not the actual broker itself. So if you profit more, you will see the value in us, BetterTrader, and you will buy our subscription. So the more you profit, the more we profit. Compared to some brokers who might have some incentive to raise the spread and scam you in your trades. Now, the second reason you should use BetterTrader is because having a BetterTrader subscription is like having a full team of analysts helping you trade every day. How so? Well, our program is coded by former pro day traders and statistics majors. What that means is they have years of experience and they look at the problems in the market and they find there's a lack of trade ideas. Where do they find accurate trade ideas from? So they started this program that provides you statistically backtested trade ideas to satisfy your everyday need. Now, the third reason you should use BetterTrader as an analysis company is because of, obviously, is fantastic trade ideas. Now, where do the trade ideas come from? There are 2 kinds of trade ideas. One is news-driven trade ideas, and the second is price-driven trade ideas. What does that mean? Well, first of all, the news-driven trade idea is, as it sounds in the name, driven by news. So first, economic events, schedule news like GDP, unemployment rate. These news can have a potential effect on the market depending on its deviation from expectations. So what BetterTrader does is minutes after its release, we will gather, let's say the GDP is slightly stronger than expected. We will gather all the past historical situations where that happened, the GDP was slightly stronger than expected, and we will gauge market reactions. Let's say the past 20 times the S&P 500 went up 18 out of 20 times as a result of the GDP going up. So that might be a good sign or correlation for us to act upon it and trade on the S&P 500. The other one is the same. The price-driven trade idea is basically based on different price fluctuations. Let's say oil moves up 3% in 5 minutes. That's a major fluctuation. Our AI system picks that up, runs it through all these similar situations in the past, and determines whether any trade ideas are valuable for you. We only provide you with statistically significant and proven trade ideas. We don't actually suggest any decisions. We just provide you with the stats and you get to choose. That's the beauty of BetterTrader and why you should use it as an analysis company. The fourth reason you should use BetterTrader as a platform is that because it is an AI program, it is not affected by human emotions or biases. What I mean by that is human emotion, for example, let's say if you're trading in the market and you lost quite a bit of money, you might become worried that you're going to lose it all. Maybe your trading strategy is not sound. But maybe that's just all because it's part of the market. Fluctuations happen. You might not believe in your trading strategy when an AI is going to be firm in its decision making no matter what. Another thing is biases. Something like the overconfidence bias. Just because you have a background in economics or finance and you have experience in the market, you might think you have an edge on everyone else and you have to be profitable. That's something common to educated traders and a mistake that AI does not make. Ultimately, BetterTrader is an objective program that gives no opinions on what decisions you make. We only provide you statistically accurate trade ideas. It's like having a team of analysts all around you that only does research for you. It doesn't influence you anyway. It doesn't give you trade signals that can potentially lead to your downfall. Every analyst has opinions and biases. So when you go online and you listen to this analyst or that analyst, they don't necessarily have to be correct. But nothing can beat statistics and probability. And that's the game that BetterTrader is playing. Now, I will leave several links in the description with brokers and different blogs that I suggest you guys read up on in order to become a better trader, and I will leave video links in the description as well on how to better use BetterTrader as an interface, as a program. I've done many videos on tutorials, so enjoy and good luck. Happy trading.